I'm Gina McFarlane-El, and I have the pleasure of being the CEO of Five Rivers Health Center. I have the honor of leading an incredible team of healthcare professionals every day. It's been our pleasure for the past 9 years to be a federally qualified health center. Our mission is to provide comprehensive, quality, and respectful care to our patients and to the community. It drives everything that we do. We've grown and expanded in such a way that we've found the need to expand primary care more, but hopefully in a new location. We turn no one away regardless of their ability to pay. In 2012, we served 12,000 patients with 45,000 visits. In 2019, we served 28,000 patients with over 90,000 visits. Our employees have expanded from 77 employees to over 250. This incredible growth has an ever-increasing need in the community, has brought us to this pivotal point in our history. I'm happy to welcome you to this new virtual tour of Five Rivers Health Centers.
As Five Rivers Health Centers has expanded and grown to serve more patients, we've simply outgrown our current leased spaces at 4 sites in the Dayton area. Our South Ludlow Street location houses our internal medicine department, several specialty care clinics, as well as our central scheduling department that answers 5,000 calls per week. 70 Five Rivers employees and 104 internal medicine and pharmacy residents call Medical Surgical Health Center home each day. We serve 80 to 100 patients daily here and are often challenged to even have an available parking space for everyone. This leased property no longer allows us to meet the needs of our patients and employees, as spaces are cramped and exam rooms are at a premium. Our 340B reduced price pharmacy for Five Rivers patients fills nearly 200 prescriptions a day while trying to do the best they can to social distance and work in a very crowded space. The Center for Women's Health is currently located in a leased space within the Barry Women's Center at Miami Valley Hospital. This health center offers OB/GYN services for 90 women per day and offers ultrasound, routine office procedures, well woman care, prenatal visits, centering programs, community outreach, breastfeeding support services, and more. The team at the center is made up of residents, certified nurse midwives, community health workers, behavioral health providers, med school students, nurses, and LPNs. This incredibly busy team of 85 individuals has turned former pediatric exam rooms into offices. Forced to recently relocate from our Family Health Center location, our CEO Gina found her new home in the former airplane room. The hustle and bustle of this health center is often overwhelming for our pregnant patients who would be better served in a calm, comfortable environment that's more conducive to stress-free provider appointments. Finding our pediatrics department is quite challenging these days. We're currently in leased space at 30 East Apple Street inside Miami Valley Hospital. However, getting to us, especially during this pandemic, is complicated and confusing. We provide a wide variety of care in these cramped spaces, including primary care for patients newborn to 18 years of age. On average, we care for 60 patients per day with a staff of 10 who are often trying to direct traffic. Many of our patients are struggling with strollers, car seats, and little ones wanting to toddle around. It can be difficult to manage a family coming in for immunizations, well and sick child visits, and minor office procedures. The words of Jeremy, our pediatric physician assistant, sum it up. Nothing about this says pediatrics. We want to provide care to our young patients in spaces designed for them. A top quality space where kids want to come. And our specialty care clinic for adults is sharing some of this same 5,741 square feet of space. The schedules must be coordinated to ensure that the right patients are given appointments on the appropriate days in the 11 exam rooms available. The last stop on our virtual tour is the Five Rivers Dental Center. Also located within Miami Valley Hospital on East Apple Street, This full-service dental clinic offers routine cleaning and exams, restorative dentistry, dentures, periodontal treatment, pediatric dental care, and even IV sedation for pain. This team of 10 employees sees an average of 30 patients per day in a 4,126 square foot space that's currently housing the exam spaces, lab, storage area, x-ray, and registration. Most days are quite chaotic as staff move throughout the dental center, providing care for patients in tight quarters. These locations collectively serve more than 60% of our patients, and our billing department and administration offices are in need of additional space. Five Rivers Health Centers is busting at the seams.
Hopefully you were able to see why we're so excited about this new building, as well as why we need to move. 51% of our board is made up of the patients that we serve, and through their insight, they approved the purchase of land in the Edgemont community and the construction of our new site. We hope to consolidate all of those sites and services into one-stop shop for our patients. This new location in the Edgemont area of Southwest Dayton is going to be perfect for Five Rivers Health Center. It's very close to the current locations that we serve, as well as it's less than 5 minutes away. Our patients will now have access to medical, dental, behavioral health services, pharmacy, as well as lab services. We are partnering with RTA so that they can continue to provide great location and more accessibility for our patients. Over the past 6 months, we've worked with our architects, designers, and construction team to create this beautiful new addition to the Edgemont neighborhood. Our groundbreaking ceremony took place September the 2nd with over 150 employees and over 100 medical residents joining us in this new location. We hope to be in there by the end of 2021. On behalf of our entire organization, we appreciate your support on this important community development project, and we look forward to serving you as well as serving the neighbors within our community in need.